Welcome back, everybody. So we got the Hobao out today. It's a beautiful Michigan day today. We're gonna just do some ripping around and rambling, basically. Yeah, let's get this down and play. Oops, failed that one. A little chat about what's been going on, guys. I was playing with the unicorn. The weather was nice for a couple days, and I was out doing some runs, and the unicorn is a rally car. It has a center diff and open diffs. I did stiffen those up for speed running, but I just couldn't keep it tracking straight. It has too much slop in the steering. It's not meant for speed running, so I gave it up. It was frustrating me. I lost the wing on it when we crashed it in the ditch. So stay tuned for more speed runnings, but it'll be when I eventually pop off on a Limitless and start that whole journey. Let's get in the center, me and the camera lady, and let's see if we can do circles around us, make everybody dizzy. Woo! Well, I gotta recover it now. Another thing, I did some 787 runs for you guys, just some test practice runs, basically, getting in the swing of the videos. Unfortunately, I cut my body out of the shot, so let me know if you guys still want to see them. They are cuts, they're not official entries, they weren't 100 mile an hour, so it's fine. But I didn't like the way my body shots looked. Okay, I have a thing about my weight. I'm not comfortable with it. It is what it is. So if you guys want to see those videos still, let me know down in the comments. If there's more than 2 of you, I'll throw those up. But if not, I'm probably not going to throw a run up in the contest until I reach that 100. Let's get this out of the ditch. This buggy is really cool, guys. God, I love it. Don't do that to it. I love it, and then I just crash it. She's a tough one. Gonna blow the diffs out. Might have already. Didn't really look like the front was moving there. Did we finally break it? Did we break it? Did we break a Hobao? I doubt it. These things are pretty damn tough. Oh, we're good. All 4? Oh yeah. Yep. Lives to slide another day. not into my truck. I wish these had one of those e-brakes like the fire team has. I've gotten really good at using it. I'd love one on this. I'm gonna give it a, let's give it a little cool down. So let's walk behind it. Okay, that's enough cool down time. Well, guys, what do you think of the Hobao? It's doing pretty darn good. I love those street tires on there. The white is, you know, definitely giving me the TMNT vibes for sure, right? Go Donnie. How did we make it over that whole thing? And it's not broke. Speed, yeah. Well, we still got pack. Guys, I think it's time to take a break and talk about our sponsor, Hobby King. You guys go over there and check them out. Use my name, W-A-Y-N-E, at checkout. That'll give you 5% off. We are still running with the Turnigy high voltage pack in here today. This is a 4S pack. Love these packs, guys. They're doing great. We appreciate Hobby King hooking us up, and we really appreciate you guys if you jump over there and shop. It helps out the channel. Yeah, good stuff. Let's get this back on there and rip. Come on. Are you ready? All right, guys, I'm gonna end this here with you guys. I can definitely feel it's a little coggy. It's starting to get a little warm. So I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys listening to my rambling, and I'd really appreciate some feedback on some of that stuff. And yeah, I guess until then, we'll see you next time. Saw that coming. It took the truck it, guys. There's not a damn thing wrong with it that I can tell right now. I guess I'll know once I get it dried out at home, but it looks like it took the truck it. How about now?